Hey patriotic internet friends and family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, the Integrity Commission versus Marisa Dalrymple-Philibert, a high-stakes legal showdown. Picture this: a 2015 Mercedes-Benz, 8 criminal charges, and a 20% duty concession. Sound like the plot of a legal drama, but nope. It's the fiery battle between the Integrity Commission and a high-profile Jamaican MP. Buckle up, this gets juicy. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more juicy updates on Jamaica's political and social scene. Welcome all patriotic Jamaicans. The movement continues. Make we get into it now. Let's kick it off. The legal storm brews. Marisa Dalrymple-Philibert, a veteran attorney, former House Speaker, and MP for Trelawny Southern, finds herself in hot water. The Integrity Commission, IC, accused her of making false statements in her statutory declarations from 2015 to 2021. But wait, it's not just paperwork drama. There's a luxury 2015 Mercedes-Benz and a 20% duty concession in the mix. The IC slapped Dalrymple-Philibert with 8 criminal charges under the Parliament Integrity of Members Act and the Integrity Commission Act. Her statutory declarations conveniently omitted the Benz for 6 years. Wow. Coincidence? The IC didn't think so. Things heated up in September 2023 when the IC officially recommended charges. The fallout: Dalrymple-Philibert dramatically resigned as MP and House Speaker on September 21st, 2023, leaving everyone wondering, was this the end of her political career? A comeback. Just a year later, Dalrymple-Philibert shocked the nation by winning the November 22, 2024 by-election for Trelawny Southern, re-entering Parliament like a phoenix rising from political ashes. But the Integrity Commission wasn't backing down. Would the courts give her a pass or put her on the stand? Keep watching. The Courtroom Showdown, Drama and Defense. Fast forward to December 2024 and the legal battle rages on. In the St. Andrew Parish Court, Parish Judge Leighton Morris dealt a major blow to Dalrymple-Philibert's defense team, led by top-tier attorneys Peter Champagny and Nico Pagan. They argued for dismissal, claiming the IC's process was flawed and abusive. Now, where have we heard that one before? But Judge Morris wasn't buying it. On a tense Friday afternoon, he ruled the case would proceed to trial. The defense's attempts to shut it down denied. Now, all eyes are on the trial date, which is expected to be announced soon. The stakes get higher. The implications are massive. If convicted, what will this mean for Dalrymple-Philibert's political future and the precedent it sets for public accountability? Is this a lesson in justice or just another day in Jamaican politics? Stay tuned. Beyond the Benz, a national conversation. This case isn't just about one MP. It's a clash of principles. The Integrity Commission's fight for transparency versus a powerful politician's survival in the public eye. Dalrymple-Philibert's re-election signals strong support from Trelawny Southern voters, but does it also highlight cracks in Jamaica's political system? And let's not forget the 20% duty concession on that Mercedes-Benz, a perk that raises questions about privilege and ethics ethics in public office. Here's a summary of highlights and key takeaways. 1. Key players: Marisa Dalrymple-Philibert, the Integrity Commission, Judge Leighton Morris, Peter Champagny, and Nico Pagan. 2. Timeline: 2015 to 2021, alleged omissions in statutory declarations. September 2023, charges recommended. Resignation follows. November 2024, re-elected as MP for Trelawny Southern. December 2024, court rules the case will go to trial. 3. The charges: 8 counts of false statements tied to a 2015 Mercedes-Benz and duty concessions. 4. What's next? Trial date pending. Let's get into my breakdown, my reaction, and my commentary. Let's put some context around the 20% duty concession. I'm gonna read something from the Ministry of Finance and Public Service website as it relates to the 20% duty concession. A 20% duty concession is a benefit open to traveling officers in the government who are permanently appointed. The concession is applicable to motor cars and pickups under 3,000 kg laden weight and are not limited by engine displacement. The 20% duty concession will apply to a maximum cost, insurance, and freight (CIF) value of US $35,000 with full customs duty, special consumption tax (SCT), general consumption tax (GCT) being payable on the excess thereof. So me no know if the 20% duty concession that Dalrymple-Philibert got, if she did qualify to get it, cause the IC highlighted the 20% duty concession. So at this point, we can only speculate about that 20% concession. Was it a political perk, or was it a case that she just never qualified to get it, so them put it in the report? I guess we will find out somewhere along the line as this case progress. So the charges relate to breaches of the Parliament Integrity of Members Act and the Integrity Commission Act, and are connected to the purchase of a 2015 Mercedes-Benz. So that's the whole thing. That's the case right there. In the Gleaner article where I read from, it went on to further stated that she omitted her statutory declarations for 6 years and the controversial use of a 20% duty concession to purchase it. So apparently under the Integrity Commission Act, that raised some red flags. So the IC clearly had an issue with that, because she hid the Benz and the cost of the Benz plus a 20% duty concession for 6 whole years. Why did she hide that for so long? I don't know, but I guess we are gonna find out eventually. She know why she hide it, but we can only wait and see. And the court decides, say, no, we not dismiss no case. This a case I go straight at trial. So the IC say she made false statements from 2015 to 2021 and slap her with 8 charges. And in the court of law, not the court of public opinion, but in the judicial system, it's not what you know, it's actually what you can prove. And when it comes to these political scandals, the court of public opinion, yes, it rages on. People from that side, they said this, and people from that side, they said that. You see me? Yes. And we know how that going in Jamaican politics already, and the whole tribal political culture, how deeply entrenched and embedded it is among some people in the society. This might look simple to a lot of people, because some people might have said, I just want 2015 Benz and want like a 20% duty concession. However, it was such an issue that he ended up make she resigned as MP and Speaker of the House. in 2023. So me don't know if the JLP did that because of political and social pressure. So they must say, alright then, you look bad. So here wa Mama D resign. If you quell a bag of talking and a bag of argument. Yeah man. But no worry, you know. Come next year, we are gonna get you re-elected and back in Parliament. In the House of Representatives. So apparently the resignation was a sideshow. The smoke and mirrors, they never mean it. They did pretend like, you know, them stand for integrity and transparency and accountability. As you can see, that's actually far from the case. Because she got reinstated. What can I say? Which the optics of that don't look good. There is just something really terribly wrong with how our politicians conduct politics in Jamaica, how they conduct themselves as public official in public office in the eyes of the populace. As far as me see it, they just have we as one dunce and dumb set of people. That must be the case because the things what they do and say, I must of them view it. I have to of them view it. I'm here talking now on both sides. In recent times, in 2024, both of them do some things where you say, what kind of move that? But I'm curious to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you think? Is this a step toward political accountability or just another courtroom circus? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into Jamaican politics and beyond. See you in the next video. One love, Jamaica.